Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. Please look at this picture here. These people are saying that they have stationed everything n'ala Igbo and they are ready to take us on our way. Don't take these people as if they don't know what they are saying. They know what they are saying. Don't take this news as a rumor. This news that you are seeing here, don't take it as a rumor. They know what they are saying. If you do not wake up and maybe someone somewhere as Madam Onyaro na Korono, I block these very people. Go and sow your money in Biafra Republic government in exile. Already, we have Biafra Liberation Army stationed in Igodo. On Monday, you saw their activities. On Monday, you saw them at work. Singing, akakaka, ika, ite, temusa, tugutu, sungulu, zemudu. Hey. When you hear their praises, you know that this is not business as usual. Sow your money there for maximum prayer materials. For maximum prayer materials. I know the reason why. You know, there was a time these people, after the kidnapping of Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, they said this type of thing, that they are ready to take over a boy, and from a boy they will enter Enugu, and they will march. Everybody saw it as a rumor. People saw it as, oh, what are these people saying? Some people will stay in their comfort zone. Where to pick, oh, it is not possible. It is not possible. Onye na-agwa gị it is not possible. Enwe cutlass na be. Onye na-agwa gị it is not possible no knockout. Ya bupu ọsọ. But they will come and tell you, nna hapụ aka gara aka. Ha na-akọ akụkọ ndị ara adịghị possible. Ịmaka ihe bụ ndị Igbo. Ịmaka ịbata ala Igbo iche na egwu ụmụazị. If you do not prepare, these people are going to take you on our way. Onye na-asị gị ịmaka ịbata ala Igbo abụghị ego ụmụazị. Ndị amị gbalie egbe elu ya bupụ ọsọ. So who will withstand these people who are going to protect the borders? It is the angels that some of you want to buy. Some of you useless broadcasters, ndị ekwensu bụrụ ọnụ. Some of you, ndị Chineke kpọgoro ọkụ, na-eso Madam Halimatu Abubakar, see it. 5 good months, nwaanyị enwebe ihe o mere. Ọ ịpụta na-akọrọ ụlọ akụkọ Michael Ejeagha. We have decentralized Biafra Liberation Army and they have gotten what they want with Biafra Liberation Army. Biafra Liberation Army of Mazi Simon Ekpa is not working with you. So which Biafra Liberation Army? Adịghị gosi gị ndị akpọrọ artillery, heavy duty artillery, ha na-akọ ọkụ ike. No military training, no military stand. Ka ha si wee kwuru ndị ike ụwa gbugoro. We are heavy duty artillery. Onye nke a si ya ti ya artillery ndị ike. Ha sị, yes, I forget something. I will heavy duty artillery ndị ike. We are doing ihe abụkwa ihe anyị pụtara ịbịa akọ. Ihe a na-ekwu equip men on the ground to be able to withstand this Boko Haram that is coming. Because Fulani headers is Boko Haram agenda. They are the real Boko Haram. If you listen to my Lafia said, Boko Haram is ready to work as headers. Boko Haram is ready to work, that they have uncovered Boko Haram network to enter everywhere in the contraption called Nigeria. That is the agenda. They send around Madam Halimatu Abubakar, from anywhere. Obiane distract mugus, full grown-up men, unezuzu, aya iyo, so many ya hayam, 5 good months. Aka ya na-akọrọ na akụkọ ndị ara. Ka e butere whistle a, ama m na igorogo whistle nke gị. Enyegokwe gị whistle. Ọ ya buve ya. Buve ya onye ara. Buve ya onye isi na-adịghị mma. Gbuo the whistle, gbugbuo onwe gị. Ebute na whistle bụ gị. Those of you na-akọ iri na unu na-asọpọtụ Madam Halimatu Abubakar, ọ bụrụ na iji whistle nke gị na-agagharị, Chineke kpọọ gị ọkụ maka ịdị nzuzu. Those of you na-asọpọtụ Madam Halimatu Abubakar, sofe ị na-ala Igbo, ọ bụrụ na ị nata whistle nke gị, Chineke bụọ gị ọnụ maka ịdị nzuzu. Bube ya, ezio ya na-egbu ya, bube ya oluku, gbuo the whistle, ezi, gbuo the whistle onye buru batrị ya, gị nwa bụ onye eriri eri, gbuo the whistle. Oge ruo n'oge mma na-abụ ụlọ ọnụ maka amatago m na ụlọ ama ha ihe. Biafra Liberation Army that have been protecting our land. Ọ bịara so unu na ha bụ criminals. Bulie. O nwere one of my spiritual son and a brother and a father to me. Okwu o kwuru ụnyaahụ like ya. And these are the damages you people have done into our people's brain, making them to feel that the angels are talking rubbish. But we are here, correcting your evil deeds. And I want to ask all of you, ndị ekwensu bụrụ ọnụ, ma ndị nke na-ede rubbish, ma ndị nke na-ekwu rubbish, where will you be when Biafra come? Where will you be when these people come? Where will all of you be? Those of you sowing money in Halimatu Abubakar, DSS na-ebu unu, police na-ebukọrọ unu, because that is her handwork. Create account in Nigeria, lure them to sow money so that we can get the identities of those funding the movement. So that we can get the identities of those sowing money in the movement. What we will do is to be picking them. Umu bingos. Ha ka na-esu ya. You don't have brain. Oluku. Gbuo whistle e nyere gị. Igbugide whistle a kwụsị igbu ya. Lekwe ya Fulani herdsmen. Boko Haram is ready to operate n'ala Igbo. Ready to work n'ala Igbo. Why we are saying this is for posterity's sake. For you to sow your money, people making them to cry. People making them to cry. People making the Boko Haram Haga Senate. Because all the northern elites are Boko Haram personified. Anybody that you see in the floor of Senate telling you we are not an elite, we are not an elite. These people reviving terrorists, they are Boko Haram. All of them have the same agenda. They assured these people, you will not be killed. Just join. Once you are being captured by Nigerian army, we will rehabilitate you and return you back. That is the reason why they gave the army order. Don't shoot these people in close range. That is the reason why they gave them 60 rounds of ammunition as against people coming to them with over 1,000 rounds of ammunition. Go and watch all of them. Ha na-ekocha the ammunition n'ubu. Kwakọcha ya n'akwa. As against those coming to them with over 500 rounds of ammunition. Ha jide nnanụ 60 to face 500 or 1,000 rounds of ammunition. So you see that your stupidity is in Pro-Max. How do you equip men on the ground? This is the challenging time for them to get what they want. They must get what they want. To be equipped. Because these people are coming. All these bingos, monkeys, and baboons, all of you broadcasted against Master Simon Ekpa. People from your area will fish you out when the time comes. They are going to come after you because of the atrocity that you have supported. Then you will have no place to hide. Don't say that I did not warn you. I am the voice of those who have died in this very struggle. I will keep on speaking, telling you your stupidity in your face. Those of you who say, that we too much, that is the reason why I will not listen to you. It's not by force to listen to me. But what I tell you is the truth. That is you, I will be bringing it to your face. It's not by force that you must listen to Emmanuel Oromi Jews. But will Emmanuel Oromi Jews stop because you don't want to listen to me? The answer is no. That undeserved, unreserved, not undeserved, that unreserved, hey, the cable. That unreserved truth, I will be giving it to you in a bitter way so that you know that your stupidity is smelling, your idiocy is smelling. What you cause in Igbo will haunt most of you because you are backward by nature. You are stupid in nature. You fight against your own freedom. You fight against your own freedom. I am Emmanuel Oromi Jews, please, known as a Gracia, or the Sea of the Sea. Mondi Ronanki Bazwa. Don't take the words of these people. When they kidnapped Mazen Namdekana, according to the story, they were coming. They announced that they were coming. They were coming through Ebonyi State. It is men that stopped them. It is men that popuo ihedi eleke tutu elenke puru eleke pupum elenke pum ndeke puru ndeke pum ndebere ndeke pum sakebere ndebere sakebere takere pum. That's the only language that these people understand. It is the language of heaven. You may not understand. Even in the church, you got church, you know, katake somebody, yeah, bido. Ha! Sarakatakakarabababa. Sheriba kakarakutu papa kakasandara baba. Giche no ni ishi di amma. Ọmụma akọrọ onwe. So ebidogo kwe nkem. Ihe a bụ asụsụ eluigwe. Ha sị na ihe a ha na-asụ sheriba baba asụsụ eluigwe. Mana Baịbụl ahụbeghị ya ebe a sị na asụsụ eluigwe. A sị na ihe na-asụ o nwere onye ya anụ mana o nwebe onye sụrụ mmadụ nọ. Emmanuel Oromi Jews so na ka o si ekwu okwu ya. He who have ears, let them hear. I am not here to remove your ego. I am not here to massage your stupidity. Maka ama m na most of you are dena stupid na nke ikpeazụ a. I'm not here to massage your stupidity. Maka ama m na edigo too much stupid to the extent that nothing matters to you. Your destruction, you are destroying yourself by your own self. Self-inflicted hatred on your own self. And you think that you are doing to me. You are not doing to me. You are not doing to me. Go and sow money. One of our brother came out. He was saying if they tell him that in Delta State today that his people will not go to farm, he will say it is a lie. That once they go to farm, that they will be buyed, you will say it is a lie. That is the same thing that these people are saying, that they are now in every bush, that they will hit you hard, that they will fire you from every bush. So what are you going to do? What are you prepared to do? How do you prepare to fight these very monsters that have stationed themselves in your forest? How do you prepare to fight these very monsters? That's to tell you that they have circled everywhere. They are in everywhere. And how to fight them is that we must be mean. Anyị ewepụta obi. Wepụta anya eji anyụ nshi, anya eji achị nshi. Shiva, wee chigbuo ha. Minus this, our land is not going to be protected. We must saa anya na nke ikpeazụ a. Sahee anya na nke ikpeazụ a. With a thunderous alacrity of Sahel Savannah. I Sahel Shianya, where Savannah Maha. Minus that, our land will go into the hands of this Sokoto Caliphate. Our land will go into the hands of these demonic counterparts. The best way for us to protect ourselves is to stand up and defend the land of Biafra, is to stand up, speak the truth always, is to stand up, protect the territories of Biafra, is to stand up, be truthful, that God in heaven may have mercy on you and I, is to stand up and protect these very people that are protecting us, these very people that are standing for us, to stand up and protect and stand with them, that God Almighty in heaven may have mercy on some of you, may have mercy on some of us. I am Emmanuel Oremijuice, known as the Great Seer or the Sea of the Seer. Preaching to you from my end. I only have one testimony here. After this very struggle, humanity will bear us witness that we are formidable. It doesn't matter your stupidity. Those of you following Ngozi Oraboeze, Halemato Abubakar, 5 months, the work that is going on in the Holy Land of Biafra, Biafra Liberation Army is not attached to how. No, none of them should come and lie to you that they are working. Those people that they said that they are working with, let them flaunt them. Let Biafra people see. The only people that this woman is working with is Ebubago. This very woman is Ebubago. That's the only thing. That's the only thing. Ebubago. Minus that, nothing more, nothing less. It's as simple as ABCD. We must protect our towns and our villages, our territories, and ensure that evil never prevail. Long live the Republic of Biafra. Long live the Biafran communities anywhere in the world. Long live the Biafra Liberation Army, the commanders, and long live the de facto government in homeland under General, Triple Star General Butuzo. Long live the commanders, Commander General Gentle, Major General Gentle. Long live other commanders as well, including the Aquamarine Forces, the Biafran Navy Forces, I think led by Prince Will. God bless all of the Biafra de facto government in homeland under the Biafra nation. God bless Mazi Simon Ekpa. God bless our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu Umerekoku. God bless Mazi Simon Ekpa and make his release and the release of our supreme leader speedily. God bless Mazi Ogenkere and the rest of his own cabinet for fostering and consistently sponsoring these men on the ground to continue the language of heaven. God bless all of you. God bless all the broadcasters speaking the truth. Obukwanda na akorage surrogate. Asokwa surrogate, I say surrogate ihu. Surrogate nihu, surrogate naso. These are hungry broadcasters. They will come and tell you, oh, Emmanuel Oremijuice is hungry. Go and show all of them. None of them can see my feet. I'm telling you the fact. None of the idiots talking rubbish on social media can see my feet. I say, anything. None of them. Hama Godaka. Hama Aka. Let one of them Maaka. asana m ha nke a ha na-asụ fake native doctor. One of them should come out to use onwe ya as example so na nna challenge gị in native doctor ka mụ na emezie ya. One of them. And onye a na-apụta ya weta aha ya achọ m fake identity. Na m na-challenge gị in native doctor wepụta aha gị forgetzie ihe na-eme. Abụkwa ụmụ apịampịa dị native doctor unu na-aga akpọkọrọ. Ka m gwa unu na ime mmadụ nshi dị izi mana ịgwọ onye ahụ agwọ ọ na-ahịa ahụ. I just need one challenge, one person. So ka mụ na ekokene onwe anyị anyị onwe anyị time. By this time ọ bụrụ na ihe dị one eme gị enidghị m general ihe a. Ọkwa Biafra na-eme m na-apịachi ahụ. Biafra na-eme m na-apịachi ahụ nlebecha nkweri unu na akweri nlecha anya mgba nkịtị. Enidiri m one person ịpụta ise I will challenge you. Mụ na gị pụta na social media onye ọbụla rekọd ya ọ ya bụ iruo that time m kwuru survive onwe ihe eriara ịpụta na social media palie ebe ọbụla ị kpọrọ aha m si na ọ fake nyụọ ahịrị ọ fake. One person, let that person come out. So a challenge gị. Then hapụzie the rest. I am Emmanuel Oromijus, mmọnwụ ndị iro na nke ikpeazụ onye ji ogbugbu ya kwere udo. From me from here, from the temple of the grace here, it is good morning, please.